back to vlog number 3. Here we are at one of the most beautiful places in India, Dawki River.
बीच में 2 आदमी बैठो हाँ
The water here is crystal clear. Even at the depth of 20 to 30 feet, we could see the riverbed so clearly.
That suspension bridge was constructed in 1932 by the British. This is the gateway to Bangladesh, where major import and export transactions take place.
The boatman took us upriver, where we could walk around the riverbank and enjoy the view around.
That's our friends Nagi and Purnima's Pebble Tower. And that's ours. Something to mark our presence.
I'm taking a video. Bahubali.
After that little adrenaline rush madness from my husband, we headed back for hot cups of noodles.
The next day, we headed to Mawsmai cave. It was a fun-filled experience.
Yes.
The limestone glitters under light. What a sight it was.
On our way back to Shillong, we stopped at this authentic South Indian pure veg restaurant called Orange Roots for our lunch.
The day ended with the colorful wedding reception of our beloved friends. On the last day of our trip, we drove back to Guwahati. The roads were excellent, with fascinating shops to break the monotony.
After bidding adieu to our trusted companion, we headed to Guwahati Airport for our flight back home. Thank you all for joining us on the school trip. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to be a part of our journey.